Hello y'all. Right here we got a original Second World War magazine. Y'all can tell me in the comments below. I used to keep up with it, but QU, the maker of the mag, y'all can tell me. We have a stripper clip with adapter here. I'm just gonna load it up. There you go. And I'm gonna give it a couple rounds. Let's see what she can do. That's that. Bolts being particularly tight. Still, sadly, sporterized. Lee Enfield. Goodness gracious. Still works. Yep. Of course, being a Lee Enfield, got clip 2. Good golly, y'all. Tell you what. Let's see. Be able to see people do it with a muzzle. I guess it's something to it, isn't it? Now, just because one of ours got knocked out like that, pressing the bolt. So, there you go. All right, M24 47.